Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we have another unboxing, and today I have ordered a iPhone lot for insanely cheap. It was like 16 bucks, and it's a lot of 5 iPhones 7 and 8, and I'm really excited to open it. Let's get to it. Yeah, there is also an iPad logic board just thrown into the mix. I don't know what to do with it, but okay, so we have another bag of parts. There's some brackets, a home button, a speaker. Yeah, some parts, and in here are some more parts. These are probably from the iPad. Yeah, these are definitely from the iPad. And here is the first iPhone 7, but it looks complete. Yep, this one looks complete. We have an iPhone 8, very scratched camera lens, and it looks complete, but the bottom panel screws have been removed, so this phone has definitely been opened at some point. We have an iPhone 7 jet black without a screen, but it looks like everything else is in here. Another iPhone 8 with a broken screen. Okay, so the screen is removed, and somebody ripped the earpiece speaker flex out, as you can see. Okay, and the last one is another iPhone 8 with the uncracked housing. That's pretty good. And if I can remove screen, it looks good inside. All of these look pretty good inside. Okay, so now I will try. Well, I'll get this out of the way first. And unsurprisingly nothing, so I'm gonna plug it in. Alright, I'm gonna try this one. So it's another 8, and there are also no signs of life. Now I'm gonna let this one charge a bit, and I'll clean the other two. I'll look at the charging ports, if they're clogged and stuff. If that could be the problem, that would be an insanely easy fix. And I will also plug this screen in and put a screen from this 7 to this 7. Try that. We have some signs of life with this one, because when I plug it in, the cable's out on the other end. When I plug it in, it makes a sound, so that indicates that it is on, but the screen is dead. Alright, I'll leave it on. I'll let you know if anything. Oh, okay. We have the battery drain symbol. Almost looks like glue. Okay, hold on. We have some news. Shit, I shouldn't be showing that. This phone, there is the wallpaper picture of somebody's kids. So I had to hide that, and it looks like it's full of stuff. Definitely I'll change the background, but I will not look into the person's stuff folders, and I will not do that. Oh my god. Alright, I was able to get another phone to show signs of life, but the display is pretty much dead. Yeah, you can barely see it. Yeah, you can barely see it. And this iPhone 8, I changed the wallpaper, and it looks like it's working. There's a bunch of stuff on here. I'm probably gonna reset everything, you know, from the date in the calendar. There's some stuff, but it says Friday 29th of January 2021, so that's like two and a half years back. So yeah, I hope this wasn't stolen or anything, but this one is passcode locked and I cannot get to it because the home button is broken. Alright, I have a final update on the phones. So this one was able to boot to a lock screen with 8-pin code, so I was not able to get in. It's a white 8. This one is also a white 8, and this one shows absolutely no signs of life at all. I swapped these two displays to see if it's the fault of the display, but no. This is a 7, Jet Black 7. It shows absolutely no signs of life as well, and the display is from this 7, which I was able to get to the startup screen, but this display has a bad touch panel, so I wasn't able to get further to set it up enough to see if it has iCloud. I know that this one has been reset. I do not know if it has iCloud on. And finally, this one, this Black 8, is fully working. And I also have a bag of parts, and I have this iPad logic board, which I don't know what to do with, and some more iPad parts, which I don't know what I'll do with them. Thank you for watching this video. I don't know what will happen with these iPhones, what I'll do with them.